What's up, guys? It's May 9th, 2024. What a nice day. I'm actually pretty annoyed. I was planning for this target all day and I was up nicely in the morning. I kind of got shredded here. I had a late entry. I bought this high or somewhere around here. And I got out after this move because it was like 5 minutes till. And then it just ripped to my target. But that happened EOD and I was so annoyed because I was playing for this all day. I lost. I was up 300 and I gave up 200 bucks here trying to go for this target. So I'm still up 100. It is what it is on the live account. I'm chopping away very slowly at it. I'm not even playing for next week's payout. I get paid out in the 6th month, whatever the hell that month is it June or something? But anyways, yeah, that was the trade I took. Kind of annoying here. I did really well over here. I skipped all this and then just kind of like around here and here, I got messed up. But if I had made that, I would have made 200. I would have made like an extra 300, so I would have been up like 400 today, which that would have been cool. But it is what it is. Let's talk about the buyers and sellers. I got work tomorrow, so I'm not trading. I trade 4 days a week, and then, which I'm kind of happy about because I am pretty frustrated with today. It is what it is. So, bar one in 2 seconds. Here we go. So, bar one is a bull bar. We have been in a bull channel since yesterday. We've been in a bull channel for a long time, 3 days. We had a pullback. I kind of been calling out the high one. Okay, I was like, is this gonna be a high one? That is a high one. Usually more sellers above a high one, so it'll be interesting to see what happens tomorrow. But maybe I'll go for a swing on my phone. We'll see. Where are we? Okay, let's get started here. Bar one, bull bar, gapping up, gapping very small above the EMA. Bad close. It's a range bar. Bar two is a strong sell bar. It trades above the high. That could be about a double top. I have to check. Okay, let's see. Bar one. So now we're looking at the data right here, okay? I'm looking at the highs. Bar one, 215, 25. Bar two, 215, 25. Okay, so this is a double top. Bar one and bar two is a double top. Bulls that bought here, they get out here, the market dumps. Bar three, we sell off into support, which is the EMA. And we reverse higher with bar four as an inside bar. I think it's safe to get out shorts if you're trading the open. You're tough if you could trade the open. Bar five, strong bull bar. Looks like it's starting to reverse. Bar six is a good close above the EMA. Bar seven is a strong bar racing above yesterday's high. Bar eight is bad follow through. Well, no, bar eight is good follow through. I actually bought here and then I bought a little bit lower because this is a 4 bar micro channel. So I thought we'd get some sort of. I expected a pullback. I didn't know how deep it was going to be. This outside bar did scare me, but there was a gap here. Bar 10 bounces off. We rally and sell back here. Bar 11 is a strong breakout in my opinion, and bar 11 is pretty climactic, so we can expect immediate pullback with bar 12. See compression here. Let's see. Bar 11's high is 2025. So do you see on the right here? I'm just going to read the last four numbers. So this number, so 44.75. That's how I read it. I'm not going to sit here and say 5,000. So bar 10, bar 11's high is 2025. Bar 12's high is 2050. So bar 12 traded one tick higher than bar 11 and then sold off. So bulls are trapped. They're going to buy lower with bar 13 and it races to a new high. It makes a new high. It doesn't close above the high of bar 9. Bar 9's high is 2150. Bar 13's high, this is tough. Bar 13's high is 2275. 13, 2150, 22. Okay, so this high is 2150. This close is 2125. So it closed one tick below this, but the high was a couple ticks higher. That's good information. This is how we get better. The money is in the details. Bar 14, strong breakout, kind of climactic. It is bigger. Leg one, pull back leg two. This is a compression. A new low isn't made, but opposite bar is a leg. So leg one, pull back leg two, pull back. Oh, hold on. There we go. Leg one, pull back. Leg two, pullback like 3. Market does start to go sideways, so I think it's safe to get out of longs around this range. Have to be skeptical. If the market's in a strong trend, why are we going sideways? We haven't touched the EMA for a long time. Bar 16, that's where I got out of my longs when I saw how we didn't close higher. Bar 15, so bar 17. Tell me in the comments if this crosshair annoys you guys. Bar 17 looks like a good breakout, but after what, 3 legs, so that's like 4. Bar 18, immediate pullback and a bad close. Bar 19, market tries to trade higher. The close of 19 was 30.50. The close of 8, the high of 18 was 30.50. So this is a double. This body closed at this high, so that's not good. Bar 22 rallies higher but sells off. So that's kind of a form of reversal, but no bear body. 21 is a range bar, very small body. So we're in a tight trading range here. 24, you might think it's a good breakout, but look at the close. The close of this bar is 31 even. And these are 30.50. So this looks like a strong bar, but the close is below these closes. So, and the high of, you see how like this price, it matters where the opens and closes are. I'm still learning how to day trade with looking at the data, but it does help. It's tough. I look at it when it's like double bottoms and double tops because that's the easiest to compare. And then I practice here. So I don't want you guys to think I'm doing this live. I am trying to do it live. I am trying to learn how to do it live through these videos. I'm still learning. I haven't been paid out yet, but I do trade a live account with Apex Trader Funding. Okay, so 26, the low, 28, 25. We break out with 27. Tight micro channel, I think it's okay to. I expected a second leg down. However, I didn't go short because I was also looking at how much control bulls have had for like past 4 or 5 days. So is this, maybe this might look strong enough because of this, but in reality, is this strong enough for all of this? I don't think so. And look, the bulls did buy the EMA, so it was a higher low anyways. Let's see, bar 30 is a low, 20.75. Bar 31. What am I doing? Okay, bar 30. This is where I get confused. Okay, the low is 20.75. The low of this is 21 even. So this is lower than that, so that's a higher low. And we can kind of see that with the ticks, but I want to know by how much. And then we have a small leg higher, 3 bars. 4th bar is a pullback, it breaks the channel, and they get a second leg with bar 35. I think so. This is how I was drawing today. This is really how my chart was looking. And then I had this like that. Okay, so that's a straight line. So I had that lined up there. There was some sort of news here, so I was just chilling. That's why I didn't get too caught up to around here. Bar 37, strong breakout, breaking out this range. We have bullish pressure. We're above the higher time frame EMA. A lot of bullish pressure here, so I think it's okay to buy this for a scalp. 1R, 1R is kind of hidden. You see that top blue line. So 1R is also the body. That's a pretty cool trade. Breakout with 37, and it's a micro channel. 42, 43. Strong bar, looking kind of climactic. It's also an outside bar. The outside bars are range bars. So, and we actually traded within the outside bars. Wow, I did not catch that live. Outside bars are typically range bars. So. So look at that. We traded within that range from 10. So an hour and a half we were in that range. And I got caught up down here. I was starting to go short thinking this was a wedge top. But it ultimately had a bullish breakout. Okay, so 48. Strong breakout. Not closing above these 2 bars. Is this a double top? So 34 even. 34 even, so bar 43 and 44 is a double top. 45 trades 3 ticks higher, or it trades a few ticks higher and then closes below the high of these. So it's not an outside bar because of this. If it closed below bar 44, that would be an outside bar. But the low of 44 is 30.50 and the low of this is 30.75. So this is higher by a tick. It sells off. We go range bound. This is tight trading range. We get to the low. Bear side filled breakout. And there's a gap up. I'm going to delete this. There's a gap right here from this close, see, is 27.50, 48, and this open is 33. So there's a 2 tick gap up right here. It eventually gets closed, but there's a gap right there. So that's a good thing to know. The bulls were eager to buy the close. They're eager to buy the EMA. The market goes sideways for a decent amount of time here. Another strong breakout bar when the market gets below the EMA, bulls buy that back up, and then it goes for a leg 1, leg 2 move. Here is also a bull flag I was looking at all day, which is why I was pretty bullish. Well, I've been bullish for a while. And yeah, here's that breakout, it's a bull flag. Pull 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, breakout. I'm trying to keep these videos around 10 minutes, so let me speed this up a little bit. 60 is a strong breakout. 61, immediate pullback. I think this is a trap. We see another gap here. 61's close is 31 even. 62's open is 31.25. So there's a small gap up right there. And then the market trends for another micro channel and has a pullback. Pay attention to these tails. Now, don't get me wrong. This bear micro channel could be the start to something nasty because this is a double top right there. With 66, his high is 38.25. I measured this already, 38.25. I knew that was a double top because I measured that throughout the day. This double top with a micro channel like that can lead to a spill. Like, we never really know what's going to happen. And if this is going to form a high one, typically high ones have more sellers above. So where are we on this time frame? Somewhere around there. Kinda. Look at the 45-minute chart. We have a very clear wedge top. Is it? Oh, it's not open yet. Yeah, so a couple more hours and then the market's gonna open. Is the market open? Oh, it's still open. It hasn't even closed. It's almost 2 p.m. here. So yeah, we have a breakout, pullback, lots of tail. And then here we have a breakout, pullback, and it rips EOD. Pretty cool to see. So yeah, hope you guys are doing good. Thank you for the comments. Please keep asking me questions. I love them. Definitely annoyed with the day. I finished up 100, but I guess I should be happy. My target was there. I just didn't take advantage of. I got trapped right here going short out of frustration because I thought this raced up and sold off, and then that happened. Then I went short and quickly hit out, and then I got a little bit chopped up here. I did something. I have to go back and look, but as you can see, I got messed up towards the end of the day. I was up 300, lost 200, and then this would have made everything. But it is what it is. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are learning. I'm gonna try and keep using this. I'm gonna try to keep using these things here because I think that'll help. Let me know what you guys think if I use these. If it's confusing, if I'm reading it too fast or not fast enough, or you don't even like them, I'm still gonna do it. But yeah, have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.